Welcome to LA, the city of dreams. Today, I'm going to show you how to shine brighter than the stars in Hollywood using the LiveGlam Shadow Meet Marbled LA palette.
Let's get glam! To have everyone starstruck, I'm starting off this look by using Malibu as my base shade. Next, I'm taking Santa Monica and placing it above my crease. And then I'm adding Beverly Hills to deepen it up and make it luxurious. Then, I'm taking concealer and cutting my crease, because you gotta be sharp to make it in this city. Next, I'm taking Hollywood and patting it all over my lid with my finger. And then intensifying this gorgeous gold shade with a brush. To finish up the eyeshadow, I'm cleaning up the edges with more concealer. Next, I'm adding a winged liner to match my halo since we are in the City of Angels. For that glamorous touch, I'm adding lashes and a bit of purple mascara to seal the deal. To really get glowing, I'm mixing City of Angels with my highlight and adding it to my cheek, nose, and lips. To finish off this look, I'm applying my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in Glamachino.
Now that you're shining brighter than the stars, make sure you tag LiveGlam and hashtag LiveGlamFam so that we can check out your looks. Catch you later.
Where you from? I'm from West Side, California.